Welcome to Google Chrome. I'm Sandy Smith, Google Accessibility Specialist for the Patents Project of Indiana. Let's explore. Voice Note is a function that allows you to put spoken notes into a paper that you might be sharing with someone else, just as a way of communicating. It's found right here on the bar. You will not see that when you are on the internet. It is simply for in docs. So I'm going to insert one. Hey, don't you think we should say something different than specialist right here? And when I clicked it, it was done. Say, hey, don't you think you should put something better than specialist after your name here? And there it is. I can type a reply to that, or I can mark it as resolved, and when I do that, it goes away.